One is a long, ghostly figure, its tentacles stretching longer than a school bus. The other is a tank, a heavyweight champion of the Antarctic abyss, armed with rotating hooks. These are the giant squid and the colossal squid. Their rivalry isn't fought in epic battles, but it's written in the scars on whales and the beaks left in their stomachs. Its body might be the size of a small car, but its two feeding tentacles seem to go on forever. That incredible length is its secret weapon. In the dim, open waters of the deep sea, reach is everything. The giant squid is an ambush specialist. In this case, the problem was how to thrive in the deep ocean, and the solution was gigantism. But convergent doesn't mean identical. The giant squid's long, slender body is perfect for the open, temperate deep, where it pays to be fast and have a long reach. The colossal squid's heavy, powerful frame and hooked arms are a solution for the frigid, resource-scarce polar waters, where endurance and a crushing grip are more important. For a long time, our only proof of these creatures' lives came from grim evidence. We rarely saw them alive. Instead, we found their indigestible beaks inside the stomachs of their greatest predator, the sperm whale. These whales are the ultimate deep-sea hunters. They dive into total darkness, using their powerful sonar to find and hunt these massive squids. The scars we see on sperm whales, heads perfect circles from sucker rings, or deep gashes from swiveling hooks or battle trophies. They tell a story of epic struggles happening thousands of feet below the surface, a predator-prey arms race that has been unfolding in the dark for millions of years. The crushing pressure and lack of light also changed the rules. Buoyancy helps support massive bodies, making sizes that would be impossible on land viable in the water. And then there's the arms race. As prey gets bigger or better defended, predators have to get bigger to handle them. The giant and colossal squids are the champions of this race in their respective domains. You can see the different strategies in their very design. The colossal squid's hooks and muscular body, on the other hand, tell a story of grappling with large, powerful prey, like the Patagonian toothfish in freezing seas. Even the way they move is different. The giant squid is built like a torpedo, designed for quick bursts of jet-propelled speed. The colossal squid is a slow-moving tank. Moving half a ton of muscle quickly takes a huge amount of energy, so it relies on ambush and brute strength to overpower its victims. Theoretically, yes, but evolution is a slow, complicated process. Instead, what we see in the deep ocean is nature running multiple experiments at once. Some lineages go giant, others stay small and nimble. The giant and colossal squids are just two of the most successful experiments we know of, and they might not be alone. Seeing a living giant squid glide through the darkness, or catching a glimpse of the colossal squid's true form helps fill in the gaps in their story. But the deep ocean still holds most of its secrets. Every beak from a whale's stomach, every scar on a whale's skin, is another line in a story of survival in our planet's largest and most mysterious habitat. When you look past the monster myths, these squids are simply a beautiful example of life's ingenuity. They faced the same fundamental problem: how to make a living in a harsh, dark, and unforgiving world. They just came up with two different, but equally brilliant, solutions. And for anyone curious about the sheer power and creativity of evolution, that double answer is the greatest discovery of all. Thanks so much for watching. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the deep ocean, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more stories from the darkest corners of our world. See you next time.